In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add PayPal to your Etsy seller account. Whether you're a new seller or have been on Etsy for some time, connecting your PayPal account can streamline your business and provide more payment flexibility for customers. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and go to Etsy.com. Log into your account by entering your username and password to access your seller dashboard. Once logged in, page. Click on the Shop Manager option at the top of the page. This is the central hub for managing your shop, including orders, listings, and store settings. After entering Shop Manager, locate Payment Settings. Within this section, find Payment Methods. This is critical because it determines how you receive payments. Stay aware of updates. Etsy may make, as keeping your interface current helps manage your store efficiently. Inside Payment Methods, look for the PayPal option. If it's not immediately visible, carefully review all listed methods. PayPal is usually displayed alongside other payment options. Check if it's available and enabled. If ready, click to enable it. If unavailable, confirm your account status allows adding new methods and that Etsy supports PayPal in your region. Once ready, enabling PayPal begins the setup process. You may be prompted to connect your PayPal account. Follow the instructions to log into PayPal using the email associated with the account you wish to link. Carefully enter details and secure your login credentials. Next, follow any additional on-screen instructions so Etsy can communicate with PayPal. This typically involves authorizing Etsy to access certain PayPal functions. Review all permissions carefully. Once completed, your PayPal account is linked to your Etsy seller account and ready to receive payments. This integration enhances efficiency and makes it easier for customers worldwide to purchase your products. And there you have it. Opening new payment options and simplifying transactions. Thanks for watching and happy selling on Etsy.